Today, I'm drawing one of the craziest crossovers ever created. Spider-Man combined with Sonic. 2 legends, 1 drawing. And by the end of this video, this artwork becomes insane. Before starting the sketch, I spent a lot of time thinking about the design, because Spider-Man and Sonic are completely different characters. One is a superhero who swings through cities with webs, and the other is the fastest blue speedster alive. But somehow, I wanted them to look like they actually belong together. So let's start moving. Sorry. So it took me 15 minutes to get it looking good, but I am pretty happy with the result. Anyways, I have a question for you. Do you think there should be a Spider-Man vs. Sonic movie? Let me know in the comments. Almost done. There you go.
Oh my God! What is that?
Now let's color it red and blue. Then use black Sharpie to ink. Who do you think is better, Sonic or Shadow? Let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if in the next video I should create Sonic versus Shadow. And please subscribe. See you at the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, please do subscribe if you think this bunny is cute. Take care. We out. Peace.